Okay, we're going to take a look at the anterior scaler, the H6, H7. This is for anterior teeth only. It's too straight to be used on posterior teeth because it really won't adapt. When we look at this instrument closely, we can see that there's a very slight bend just at the base of the shank. And that bend will guide us in how we're going to use this. When the bend is here, that means the instrument is going to be moving in that direction. And it actually provides just a little bit of a bend that we could place our middle finger in that little depression. So this instrument with this little bend here is going to be the correct instrument to use on surfaces away. So we are going to close this instrument up because it is a instrument that has to be used at 70 degrees. We need to close up our angle. We will divide the tooth in half, and I've got my fulcrum placed here on the incisal edge and a little bit on the lingual. So I'm going to close it, and I'm just going to make small, controlled, overlapping working strokes, staying on enamel. So that means it's light as I go towards tissue, and I'm going to add pressure as I make my small, controlled, overlapping stroke. So we go halfway. To finish the tooth, I'm going to have to use the other end of the instrument. So I'm going to come around because my fulcrum always has to be on the opposite side of my instrument. And I'm going to again close up my angle, and I'm going to go with the middle part of the tooth, and I'm going to make small overlapping strokes. They're very controlled. I don't want long strokes because if I have long strokes, I will lose my cutting edge angle as I'm traveling down the tooth. As I come here, I must make sure that I think about standing up on my fulcrum a bit so that I can maintain that 70 degrees, because if I make the error of just staying like this, I won't have cutting edge on there and I won't be very effective at all. In fact, I will cause tissue trauma. So this instrument used correctly, it's always, the terminal shank is going to be coming across the tooth just a little bit as we activate it.